What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. Taking a look at a LED light kit that I picked up. So I picked this up from Amazon.com. I was in the market for a budget or inexpensive light set that could be portable, that I could take around with me when I'm moving about and possibly shoot some videos with or something like that. So on Amazon, looking around, I found these, and these are very inexpensive. As you guys see, $32.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to check out some of the specs on it or pick these up. So these are by UBeesize. I think I'm pronouncing that right. UBeesize. UBeesize. LED video light kit. Two-piece dimmable continuous portable photography lighting with adjustable tripod stand and color filters. You can use this on the tabletop, low angle shooting for Zoom, game streaming, and YouTube. So as you guys see, comes with the two tripods there. You do have adjustable. These are adjustable for the lighting. And you get the filters there, $32.99. Here are some scenarios that people are using, how they're using them. And like you said, you get your filters, and here's the adjustable in the middle of it there. And the stand goes all the way up to 57 inches. So I'll drop this link if you guys want to go over and check out some of the specs and details on this. But let's get into the box. So this is the box that it comes in. And let's see how we can get in this and check this out. Hopefully we can do this right here. All right, I'm gonna just do it like this. So it's gonna be a lot of stuff in here. Let's get it all out, and then we'll go over it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna stop the video, get it out, then I'll show you what's all in there. All right, guys, so we're back in. So in the packaging, you get your instructions guide here that will tell you how to assemble this, tell you everything that's in the packaging. Just go about that. So you get your 1/4-inch standard screw here at the top where you can plug in your light. I guess you could use this for different things as well. 3-leg sage, single action lock. Yeah, just showing you different things here, how to adjust the height on them and things of that nature there. Seems like they should be pretty easy. Now these are USB lighting as well. So here are the tripods. This is some type of metal there. And let's see how you get these open here. So simply open up like this. Now I'm going to show them to you after I have them assembled too. But here they are. Now this extends here. Extends out like that. So that's one tripod there. And you get the, this is the top with your 1/4 screw there. Let's get this other one out. Like I said, I'm going to stand these up, let you guys see them. So you get these two tripods, and you get your tripods and your mounting head there. And these have to be the lights right here. So let's check them out. All right. So get your filters as well. Let's get this box out of here. All right. So you get your, this is orange, as you guys see. You get that one. You get a purple, a clear, this is kind of like a blue. You get a red one right there. So purple, orange, blue, and then here's the LED light, and it has a clear one inside of it. So these are very small, plastic. As you see in my hand, very small, tiny. And then you get a long cable here, USB in on it there. And then you have your control switch in the middle for brightness, lowering the brightness and turning them off. So You can plug this into a regular wall outlet, USB outlet, your computer, anything that has a USB receptor, then you can use this with. So let me go ahead and get these set up and we'll take a look at. Okay guys, before we show you these standing up, let me show you how to go ahead and assemble this. So you just take this little cap off right here. There's a little cap that they have on there. Take the head of it here and just screw this on here like this. Tighten it up, and your light is going to screw on to that. So you got a hole here, and this is where your light's going to screw right here. And there it is, like that. Now you got a ball on here that swivels to extend this, like I showed you guys. That is how you would extend it. And then down here to get your tripod to flex out, you loosen up this piece and just slide it down. So that is how your tripod extends right there. So I'm going to show you it all set up, so let's go to it. All right guys, so we're back in. I have the light fixtures set up. They're not on right now, just have one light over here, just kind of lighten up this area. This is by my fireplace area. It's normally pretty dark over here. I have the stands extended all the way up. I am powering them. As you remember, these have USB ends on them. So I have my MacBook Pro and I have a USB hub there. Now these, you can turn these, you know, they can swivel like that. I wanted to lower this. I can just simply loosen this up and bring it down. You guys see, and bring it back up like this. Like that, and tighten it up. Like I said, these swivel. You have a inline control right here. So when the fixture is off, you're gonna have a indicator light there. When you turn it on, it's gonna go off. As you see, that is pretty bright. I'm gonna lower it down. So that's the lowest brightness there. And it's kind of hard to see it, so I'm gonna face the two fixtures towards that wall, and then I'll brighten it up, or maybe one of them, let you guys see. So I got it facing that way, and I'm going to turn the brightness up. First, I'm going to turn this light off over here. All right, you see how much darker it gets? So that's the first step up. That's all the way there. I think it's 9 or 10 brightness levels. So let's go back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the lowest, and it is still on, as you guys see. So pretty bright. For me, someone that's normally does top-down videos where I'm not normally in front of the camera, this should be great. So let's try a couple of the color filters and see how they look. All right guys, to change out the filter, just simply pull that up. And I have a blue one here. Let's go ahead and drop that blue one in. Just simply slide it back down. If I was working with two hands instead of holding the camera, it would be better. So that's the blue one. And I'm going to put a red one over there, and then we'll see what they look like. All right, guys, so got a red one over here and a blue one over here. The blue looks a little, it's not very dark. So we're going to turn these around facing the wall. And these will just swivel too. You don't actually have to pick the tripod up to do it. So let's brighten up the blue first. There it is. So kind of looks blue, but more of a light color. And it's not completely dark in here either. So, all right, that's the blue one. And let's do the red one. So the red really stands out. right there. So that's the blue and the red one. So if you're a vlogger or someone like that, go ahead and turn these off, and you want to illuminate the back part of your vlog set, turn the light on over here. Whew, that blew it out. Then these would be great, man, for someone like me that does product reviews top down. We're gonna have to try them out and see. I don't want to leave a big shadow as I'm doing my review, but all right, guys. So this has been a look at the UBeesize LED light kit. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H Tech Review. I'm out.